Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about Matthew's correlation coefficient. So we all know that we should be using F1 score in case of an imbalanced class problem. But what if you want to focus on each of the class values? So basically you want a model which is balanced across both the positive and the negative class. Then you should be taking a look at the MCC score rather than the F1 score. So here we go. So the MCC score is a correlation coefficient. So it has balance between both the true positives and the true negative. You see the numerator has equal weightage on true positives, false positives, false negatives. So it gives a balanced model. So let's see. This is a function for MCC, but you also have it in sklearn. We have a dummy scenario. As you can see, we have a very good F1 score, around 75%, but the MCC score is quite poor. So you should be always taking care of MCC score for these. Thanks for watching.